Hey, what's up, guys? It's Air 15 Gaming again. We did not get extra subscriber, but I just feel like uploading this because my brother said this is actually, if you guys don't know this, if you guys are new here, this is Tornado Alley Ultimate on Roblox. A game where you have to try to survive, and you have to try to survive tornadoes. But guess what? Taz, which is basically aka my brother, and AR14 Gaming on YouTube. Sorry for that, guys. I almost fell over. Basically, he sent me this clip on Xbox. This is about like a month. So sorry for that, guys. Basically, it was like a month ago that he recorded this. So, yeah. So okay, let me turn on. Okay, wait. Shoot. Alright, can you guys, stay for a second? Okay, where the heck did it go? Okay, we need to raise this up so you guys can actually hear. Okay. There you go. See yourself, guys. There's a clip for you guys. Okay, I'm just gonna be quiet. Also, I forgot to tell you guys this, but there's actually a secret survival on this round of this Doomsday. If you guys are new here, this Tornado Alley Ultimate, you could basically have Doomsday, which is like 1%, I think. So yeah, enjoy the video. This is actually gonna be titled Secret Survival TAU Ultimate, which basically stands for Tornado Alley Ultimate. He almost died. My brother really almost died. You guys see how much money he has? That's because don't see. It's basically he has basically over 200,000 coins and 1,000 survivals. Look at Taz's business cat. It's so funny, dude. See him his MLG glasses. Let's see his business cat. I think it costs like 100 Robux. Also, guys, this is not the secret survival yet. This is only second out. This is only the second out of 4 Doomsdays on here, like the survival stuff. You know, I'm not even gonna spoil it for you guys. You guys can watch for yourselves. time checking the player list. That's so weird, dude. Also, guys, Seals is 325 studs tall. That's basically, he basically has super tsunami. Which is basically, that's basically the highest studs in the game of tsunami. You guys will see in a second. Look at that, guys. That is the tsunami. Look at the whole map. The map is destroyed. There's a finale, meteors. There's gonna be 17 meteors. And after 17, it's gonna be secret survival, guys. Stay tuned. And also, you guys can watch it. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys because it's gonna take forever. Alright, we're gonna speed this up a little bit. 12. Because we're going to sound this, I'm fast forwarding. How many? 6. Okay, there you go. 1 incoming. Sorry guys for the hold up. It just took a really long time to fast forward. Guys, this is about to be the secret survival. Wait. Look, atomic bomb, guys. Taz, dude, you cannot summon this during, because if you don't know, you can actually summon survivals, you know, but it will not be, it will actually be survival after Doomsday. That's literally the secret survival, guys. So, can you guys please subscribe? And this is not edited, okay? Trust me, this is not edited. I don't even know how to edit this. Nuclear missiles have been launched. Bomb shelter, military, quick missiles are coming. Alright guys, you guys see? He goes to the shelter. See? That's this. Alright guys, that's it for the video. So if you guys haven't already, please subscribe. If it's red, the subscribe button, press it till it turns gray. It's for free. And if you need to sign up. It's also for free. Also, please like the video, guys. Like the video. So show anyone to like all my videos. So basically, just like button. And if you like the video, it will actually be my videos will be recommended to more people. So you guys won't hear me whine as often to subscribe if you guys actually just tell people to like the video and subscribe. Again, it's for free to like and subscribe, okay? And yeah, this is my third video for today. Please subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or maybe I'll upload a new video today. Bye!